Today we're making a simple but delicious side dish, roasted potatoes and carrots. This is perfect for any meal and it is so easy to make. Welcome to Carol's Recipe Adventures, where I share recipes you can enjoy with friends and family. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. In a bowl, mix the olive oil, melted butter, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and herbes de Provence. Next, cut the red onion into chunks, the carrots into bite-sized pieces, and cut the larger potatoes in half. With the vegetables in a large bowl, pour the olive oil mixture over the vegetables and mix. Spray a baking sheet with cooking spray and spread the vegetables onto the prepared pan in a single layer. This helps them cook evenly. Place it into the oven and roast for 30 to 40 minutes or until the carrots and potatoes are tender. And there you have it, roasted potatoes and carrots that go with just about anything. Thanks for joining me at Carol's Recipe Adventures, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.